1890, Wisconsin. We found human skeletons buried in ancient mounds. We measured them, 9 feet tall, some even bigger. Then the Smithsonian took them, and they disappeared. This wasn't one skeleton, it was hundreds. Wisconsin, Ohio, Minnesota, Nevada, Kentucky, Arizona, all across America, buried in massive earthwork mounds, giant human bones, 7 feet, 8 feet, 9 feet tall. One skeleton in Nevada measured 11 feet. Local newspapers documented everything, took photos, measured precisely. These weren't legends. These were official archaeological digs. The New York Times reported them. Scientific American published findings. The Smithsonian's own annual reports documented giant skeletons from 1873 to 1900. Official height measurements, bone thickness, skull size, everything recorded. Professional archaeologists, medical doctors, scientists, all confirming the same thing: human skeletons, definitely human, just massive. The mounds they were buried in, ancient, built between 3,000 and 10,000 years ago, long before modern Native American tribes arrived. Some skeletons showed copper armor, advanced tools, sophisticated burial practices. This was an organized civilization, and they were giants. Average height back then was 5'6". These skeletons were 9 feet tall. That's not normal variation. That's a different population entirely. Here's where it gets strange. The Smithsonian collected hundreds of these skeletons, claimed they needed them for study, transporting them to Washington, D.C., and then nothing. No published research, no public display, no records. When researchers ask to see them today, the Smithsonian says they don't exist. Lost, misplaced, no documentation, hundreds of giant skeletons, gone. Every Native American tribe has legends about them. The Paiute called them Sitka, red-haired giants, cannibals. The Iroquois called them stone giants, warriors. The Choctaw called them Nahalo, a race of giants who lived before them, fought wars against them, were eventually wiped out. Every tribe, same story: giants were real, and they were here first. Even today, discoveries continue. 2004, Saudi Arabia, skeleton found measuring nearly 8 feet. 2013, Bulgaria, massive skulls and bones. 2017, Ecuador, 7-foot skeletons with elongated skulls, always removed quickly, always taken by authorities, always disappearing into storage. The pattern continues. So who were they? A subspecies of humans, genetic anomalies, a completely different species that died out. Why were they all over the world? And here's the really disturbing question. Why is this evidence being hidden? Why won't the Smithsonian release the bones? What are they afraid we'll discover? We found them, we measured them, we documented them, then they vanished, and we're not supposed to ask why.